and welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. 48 hours after the New York Times interview, CM says people with Modi as PM.
Excellent administrator, and we should go ahead and get him on the Prime Minister chair for that.
माझ्या दृष्टीने हिंदू आणि इंडियन व एकूच अर्थ.
Government likely to intervene to save illegal constructions at Talsanzor.
हे गव्हर्नमेंट कोणाक रस्त्यार घालचे ती गॅरंटी दिला.
Vishnu Wagh hits at BJP government, unhappy with performance on mining and casino issues.
All parties are the same, only the label changes. Nobody has given me any offer.
Goa police tighten security arrangement for Chawat. Arrangements in full swing across the state. Police request people to cooperate with security agencies. New coach Nuwan Joysha pledges to lift Goan cricket. Former Sri Lankan pacer feels Goan youngsters can challenge seniors for the places. And now the news in detail. CM Manohar Parrikar was seen in a damage control mode on Friday following controversy about his New York Times interview. He vehemently supported Modi and stated that Modi has been already anointed as PM candidate by the people. He also clarified on his statement regarding Christians. He said when he used the term Hindu, he meant Indians and not Hindu in religious context.
My interview is very clear. Please read the full sentence. I think that explains everything. I don't have to explain after.
Seems like एक interview भारी पड़ गया. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has his own clarification to the controversial interview with the New York Times. Though Parrikar refused to speak with local media, Prudent caught him while interacting with national media. He says Modi is one of the best administrators and fit candidate to be the Prime Minister of the country.
General common people have perceived him to be the Prime Minister. I have already said almost 3 months back that these are there were some administrative failures, but after that, that is more important. For 12 consecutive years, he has been giving one of the top best administration. That is what people love him for. जिंदगी में किसी का कभी भी थोड़ा बहुत कम ज्यादा नहीं होता है क्या? उस समय अभी नए गुजरात के चीफ मिनिस्टर बने थे, तो थोड़ा बहुत ब्रीफ मिलने में टाइम लगता है. लेकिन I won't go into details of that. I will say that he is an excellent administrator, and we should go ahead and get him on the Prime Minister chair for that.
While in another function at Madgaon, he clarified his another statement, where he said Catholics in Goa are culturally Hindus.
भारतीय लोकांक किंवा इंडियन लोकांक हांव हिंदू शब्द वापरना कारण मला परत कन्फ्युजन सुरू करतले. इंडियन लोकांक सांगपाची गरज ना. हांवें त्या मुलाखतीन सांगलेले म्हज्या दृश्टीन हिंदू आणि इंडियन हो एकूच अर्थ. हिंदू कित्याक शब्द आयलो जाल्यार ते पर्शियन लोक जे भारतान आयले तांकां इंडस रिवर इंडस न्हंय जी आसा तिच्या पलतडी रावणारे लोक हे इंडस गांव अशें तांकां हे आय म्हणपाक नासलो ते एच म्हणपाक लागले म्हणून हिंदू शब्द आयलो.
Seems like this would be one of the memorable interviews of the IITN Manohar Parrikar. As per the interview, CM had claimed that he would have handled post-Godhra situation better than Modi. Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Government is likely to intervene to save illegal constructions at Talsanzor facing the threat of bulldozers. CM assured government will not leave anyone homeless and will do the best within legal framework. However, Comunidad has continued serving eviction notices to the occupants at Talsanzor. Plea of Motidongo residents is pending before the High Court for disposal.
एक समजा हे ते मागीर आमी ठरोवया कशें करपाचें. But we don't intend to throw people on the road, particularly those who are staying for 20 years. We'll make some arrangement. If we have to work out some arrangement, we'll do it.
Meanwhile, Comunidad served 42 eviction notices to the residents of Tolsanzar on Friday.
One order has been issued by the administrator of South Zone for disposing the proceeding against the respondent, Sri Camilo Barreto. Camilo Barreto under the provision of Goa Land Prohibition for Construction Act 1995.
Reporter Pratik Parab and Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
आपलेच दांत आणि आपले वोट. BJP MLA Vishnu Wagh has hit at his own government. He is unhappy with the government's performance on mining and casino issues, both on economic and moral front. Wagh was speaking with the media on Friday at Kala Academy. When questioned whether he has offers from other political parties, he replied, "I have offers, but that does not mean I will quit." Vishnu says all parties are birds of same feathers.
बरं तुझी घुसमटगिरी जाता हांगा
What is new about it?
ना घुसमटगिरी जाता
घुसमटगिरी म्हणजे जाता हांव पयलींच्यान सांगला. There's nothing new.
So you are unhappy in this government?
Well, unhappy nahi. What I am feeling sad that we had made certain promises to the people and we have not been able to fulfill it. MOI issue, the casinos, several other issues are there. Joining a political party is not the solution. Because ultimately what I feel very vehemently and as a matter of fact is that all parties are almost the same. There is no difference. All parties are the same, only the label changes. हांव आहा त्या पक्षान आनी हांव ना त्या पक्षान काय ना. सगळे पक्ष हे सारकेच आसा. फक्त तेंची लेबलां मात्र वेगवेगळी. इश्यू सॉल्व जाता थंय आमी राजकारण हाडटात किंवा आमच्या पॉलिटिकल स्टेबिलिटीचो इश्यू हाडटात. हो इश्यू सगळ्यांत चड म्हत्वाचो जाता. आतां होच इश्यू फाटलेंय गव्हर्मेंट करतालें. ताच्या पॉलिटिकल स्टेबिलिटी खातीर ते कॉम्प्रोमायज करताले. तेन्ना आमी तांकां क्रिटिसायज करताले. आतां ते अजूनय तशेंच तीच परंपरा फुडें चल्ल्या न्ही. Amongst all the 40 constituencies, Santander is the most neglected and one of the most backward constituencies. Whichever projects that we demand, whether it is road or water supply and this thing, are sometimes being deliberately delayed. When the mining hype happened, okay, we put all our energy into that problem. So mining. We could have immediately, side by side, we could have thought of roping in some other avenue, for revenue generation. This measure has not been made. So now where are we off to? Unfortunately, now we have to say that casinos are main source of revenue, and we have to sustain with them. So, but all these policy issues, first they have to come to the legislature wing of the party. Shouldn't they be debated? Now, if it is casino, then it should be debated within. There has to be scope for debate. ना म्हाका उमेद आसली पयलीं. आतां हांव निवडून आयलो तो पयलीं सांतांद्रेचो आमदार म्हणून आयलो. Nobody has given me any offer.
Goa Police has issued security advisory in view of Chawat. Senior officers of Goa Police held a meeting and discussed security arrangements across the state. Goa Police have requested organizers and people to cooperate with them. Senior officers of Goa Police on Friday held a meeting at police headquarters and discussed security arrangement across the state. After meeting, DIG of Goa Police, OP Mishra said that all the police stations have been put on alert and additional forces will be deployed to assist local police during the festival.
The officers have been sensitized and directed to organize special patrolling in such areas, in apartments where the movement of people takes place for their ancestral village in connection with the festival. We have also issued a detailed advisory requesting citizens to adopt some basic security measures once they move out of the house, so that we are able to prevent such kind of incidents in their area. And we have deployed adequate number of people The motorcycle patrolling, the PCR patrolling has been reorganized and restructured.
OP Mishra has requested the organizers and the common people to be alert and to cooperate with local police.
Through your channel, I would also like to request the organizers of the Sarvajanik Pandal to deploy maximum numbers of volunteers also who could assist police, and all the volunteers should be issued some kind of an identity card, and they can work in cooperation with police in maintaining law and order, and as well as systematizing the entry to the pandals.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Shishant Paul for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.